Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you a very simple way to clean the stove knobs. As you can see, my stove handles are dirty and the places where they are attached are all greasy. Now I'm going to clean it all up. The handles need to be removed first. To remove the stove handles, with a little effort, they need to be pulled towards you. Now let's make a cleaning solution. For this you need 700 milliliters of water. The water temperature should be around 90 degrees Celsius. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And 1 tablespoon of dishwashing detergent. Place the knobs in the prepared solution and leave in this state for 15 minutes. These parts, where the handles are attached to the stove, I will wash with dishwashing detergent. I spread it over the dirt with a damp sponge and leave it for 30 minutes. Now you can wash the knobs. I use a sponge and a toothbrush for this. After cleaning, rinse the knobs under running water and leave them to dry. The handles are already clean. Now let's clean the stove. After 30 minutes, the fat has softened and can be gently scraped off. I use the back of a spoon for this. It is flat. From hard to reach places, it is convenient to clean the fat with a toothpick. When finished cleaning, wipe the knobs on the stove first with a damp cloth and then with a dry cloth. Well friends, now you know how to clean gas stove knobs from grease. If you liked these tips, please give the thumbs up below the video. Also subscribe to the channel, I have a lot of interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!